y'all, it's your girl Fabulous Faith and welcome back to another video. It's time for another wash day product combo review tutorial, so let's hop right into it. So I'm out of town. I'm spending time with my fam for the holiday season, so I only wanted to pack minimal products. So the two products that I reached for were, of course, some Doux products. I reached for the Doux Girl Custard. Y'all know this is a favorite of mine, but I'm running low, so I wanted to pair it with another product to see if it would, you know, do what it needed to do. So I decided I'm going to pair it with the Doux Mousse texture foam. I typically don't like using foams by themselves. That's why I'm pairing it with a nice custard gel. So I'm going to apply the mousse first, and then I'm going to go in with the Bee Girl Custard, and we're going to see how this turns out. Y'all already know, y'all see me do wash day product combos many of times. So I'm going to start off on like soaking wet damp hair. I'm going to use my spray bottle with just water and go section by section and apply the products. And then once I'm finished, I'm going to come back on and let y'all know how I like the product combo so far immediately after I'm done with all of my sections. And then I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer and come back and give y'all my final review. And then I think I'm going to throw in some clips throughout the week of how my wash and go looked and lasted. So I'm excited to see how this wash and go turns out, because if it turns out bad, this is all the products that I have. So let's see what we can do. I wanted to switch it up a bit during this video and provide y'all with some helpful wash and go tips, because I get a lot of questions about how I make my wash and goes last so long. So I wanted to throw in a few tips that help me along my wash and go journey. So let's get into it. Water, water, water. My motto is, if you think you need more product, you probably just need some more water. Water is really the base of your wash and goes. It helps to provide a nice hydrated kind of base for your products to go onto and for your products to glide through your hair. So if your hair is not hydrated with water, you're just slapping products onto dry hair, which is not going to do anything for your curl pattern. I also recommend taking your time, especially during the beginning stages of your natural hair journey. Once you become a pro and you're used to doing your wash and goes, I can do my wash and go in 30 minutes or less, but I've been doing wash and go for over 4 to 5 years. If you just started a wash and go yesterday, don't give yourself 10 minutes and then say it doesn't look good. Give yourself time to work through each section, so you're giving your time for your products to marinate into your hair, and you're giving your time the ample amount of time and freedom that you need to learn your hair texture and find out what works best for your hair. I also recommend trying the product combo on your hand. I didn't do it in this video because I knew these two products would work together, but put both of the products on your hand and rub it together. If you see white clumps, that likely means that it'll flake in your hair and you'll have flakes all throughout your hair when your hair is dry. If the products don't clump or don't provide any white flakes when they're on your hand, then they probably do pretty fine on your hair. So definitely test out the products before you apply them to your hair to avoid wasted time. I also recommend that you find what styling method works best for you when doing your wash and go. As you can see through a lot of the natural hair videos I do a mix of different methods. I do the raking method, sometimes I do the praying hand method, sometimes I do the shingling method. It really just all depends on how the product feels in my hair will determine which styling method I use. Typically with the gel, I like to do the shingling method to ensure that the gel is on each curl, to make sure each curl is individually styled the way I like it. But if I'm using a mousse, I typically go in like larger sections and do the raking method, but it just all depends on the product combo. Stop comparing. My hair is not your hair. I'm always here as a guide so you can see what product combos you might want to try next before you waste your time. But my hair is not the same as your hair. They might be similar, but your hair might turn out differently. So do not compare your hair to mine, or don't compare it to anybody else's. Your hair is uniquely beautiful and it'll come out the way it's supposed to come out, and it will be just fine. Another good tip that which has changed for me over the years, I used to be an air dryer girly. Like I just used to let my hair air dry once I finished my wash and go, but I've noticed such a tremendous difference when sitting under a hooded dryer and adding heat. I don't stand up a long time and diffuse my hair with the diffuser attachment. I specifically sit under a hooded dryer for maybe 30 to 45 minutes to however long it takes for my hair to dry, and that really helps to aid in curl retention as well as locking your curls in place. Like how your curls set in place once heat is added, they won't move, which I really like, and noticed a big difference in how my wash and goes last. Like they typically used to last maybe 3 to 4 days, but now my wash and goes can last 7 to 2 weeks. So definitely recommend sitting under a hooded dryer. If you need any hooded dryer recommendations, I have one in my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description box below, and it's only $100, so definitely go check that out. Another good tip is to make sure your hair is fully detangled before you're going in and applying these products. Whether you detangle your hair with your fingers, you use the unbrush, a tangle teaser, whatever kind of comb tool that you use, make sure your hair is really detangled before you go in and start adding products, to make sure that the products are really gliding onto all the strands of hair. So that's that's a great tip. That's it as far as my natural hair tips for styling your wash and goes. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any other questions, and let's get back into styling this particular wash and go. Alrighty, you guys, I have finished my entire head. So I gave y'all a 360 already. So let's talk about the product combo. Fresh out of finishing my hair, I like the product combo so far. It made my hair feel soft. It was easy for me to like clump my curls. Like I always tell y'all, like my curls naturally separated where they wanted to separate. I think I should have added a little bit more water and maybe more gel, because y'all know I like a crunchy wash and go. But so far I don't have any complaints, I don't think. I'm gonna have to just see how it looks after I send it to the hooded dryer. But y'all know with the B-Girl gel, you don't have to use too much of this product, and I think I might have went a little heavy-handed because I wanted to have a more crunchier wash and go. But other than that, I think it should be fine. I like the way my curls separate, and I really never really have any problems with the Doux product. So we shall see. The only thing I might say is I did have to work at the sections a little bit extra, but not as much as some other kind of product combos. So I'll see where I end up with frizz or anything like that, but we shall see. So I'm going to go sit on the hooded dryer. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long, maybe 30-45 minutes, and that'll be it. But we shall see. So I will see y'all back in a bit when my hair is fully dry. Alrighty, you guys, so I have finished my hair. I'm going to do a quick 360 for y'all. Let me zoom y'all in. Okay, so my hair is 100% dry. I sat under my hooded dryer. I didn't bring the one that I have, like, of course, that I do in my normal videos. My grandma gave me one of those old-fashioned hooded dryers, and baby, that thing was hot. It was hot. So I didn't sit under there too long. I sat under there maybe 30-45 minutes, but girl, she was hot. She was baking. So yeah, first off, it's a crunchy wash and go, which I love. Y'all know I just love a crunchy wash and go. I feel like if it's not crunchy, it's not gonna last for my hair for some reason. And this one, baby, she's crunchy and I love it. I feel like it was a few sections. I definitely don't think it was a product combo. It's a few sections where I could like work the product in a little bit more, or work in a smaller section, because I noticed they're a little bit bigger, and I noticed that those sections will probably have more frizz. But other than that, I love the curl definition. It's crunchy but not like dry crunchy. It feels like nice and soft and fluffy to the flip. I hope y'all can see this against my black curtain, but I like it. I'm going to use a little bit of my, hold on, let me find it. I'm going to use a little bit of my pattern edge control just to like in the front. I don't have a brush or anything. So just in the front to kind of like keep this laid down and like lay down those right there. So just kind of like laying that down. And then right here in the front, I just kind of want to keep that kind of sleek. And then I'm going to do that to the other side as well. So just kind of like right here in the front, I want to keep this nice and kind of sleek. And then right here on the inside, nice and sleek. And I'm just doing that with my fingers, and give it a little shake, and baby, that's it. Y'all, if you're watching this video, then definitely go back and see the video where I just recently trimmed my hair. I think it looks really, really good. I don't know if you can tell with the black shirt, the black background, but I think, let me zoom in. I think it looks really, really good, nice level and everything. So I like this wash and go. So far, so good. I think this is definitely a wash and go product combo that I would try again. I'll definitely keep y'all updated throughout the week as this wash and go kind of grows. I'm not going to stretch it right now because I never really stretched my wash and goes on day one. I like to keep the cast intact, and I think it looks cute just as it is. It has enough volume and enough definition for me for day one. So far, so good. I'll definitely give this like a 9 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Like, this is definitely what I would use again. It's crunchy. It's giving me definition. It's giving me shine, hold. I mean, what more can a girl ask for? And the fact that I only had to carry 2 products for me while I was traveling, that's a win in my book. So I love it. I'm getting ready to go out, but that's it for now. Definitely stay tuned for I'll probably update y'all in the morning once I take it out of my regular scarf and bonnet routine. So I'll probably update y'all in the morning so y'all can see like how it looks fresh out in the morning out of my bonnet. But other than that, I'll probably just throw in some random clips of how it looks throughout the week when I'm just like recording myself. But other than that, that is it. If you love a crunchy wash and go, if you love the Doux products, I definitely recommend you try them together. I'll definitely try it again to like maybe use less mousse, more gel, but I definitely like this product combo and I would use it again. But like I said, that's it. She's cute. She's cute, but that's it. I'll see you in the next clips. Bye.